One of the things that drove us to start Firefly and to design this equipment was really the needs of the market. Will, one of my engineers, and I were talking on the phone, and he said, "Hey, I just saw a sod truck come by, and man, the pallets just looked terrible. It wasn't stacked neatly at all." And it just hit us both at that moment that, we've been watching this industry for years. No one's doing this right. And we can do it. We know how to do this right.
Traditionally, the harvesting process was that you had a three-man crew, one person driving a machine, two men on the back of the machine, grabbing each piece of grass individually and stacking it onto a pallet. The new way is you have one man driving the machine. It comes up the conveyor belt automatically. It is taken and put onto the pallet. The benefit of having a smart machine like a Firefly is that it produces the turf in a much more efficient manner from a labor standpoint, and also from a production amount of grass we're taking out of the field. As an end user of Firefly's equipment, I don't know a lot about how it works, but it works, and that's what's important.
When I think about the technology in our harvester, the heart of that, or the brain of that, is the NI compact reel. That has enabled us to take a very small company and advance us decades ahead technologically. It's saved us hundreds of thousands of dollars of development time.
It was really four of us, all mechanical engineers, working together long hours. In 6 months, we designed the machine. The key of that, not just was the mechanical design, but it was our ability to have such power and software to do all kinds of things. We didn't have to invent complex mechanisms for timing or things like that. Mechanically, everything's controlled by the compact reel, so we were able to implement things and change things in software really fast. It just brings a level of control that I don't know exists in any other platform. The industrial Internet of Things is very important for us. Because we're using the LabVIEW and compact reel platform, we're able to remotely monitor and update our machines anytime we want to. And that's really powerful for a small company like us to be able to service a sophisticated machine that's, we have them spread out all over the world, is really an enabler of the technology. There's no way we'd be able to do the sophisticated things we're doing, for a customer that really doesn't care about technology. He just wants to cut grass.
The technology at NI has enabled us to create value for our shareholders and our employees, and to demonstrate that value, again, further out to our clients, and more importantly to their clients, which are the end users, which are the people at home, the kids that are playing on soccer fields and baseball fields, and the golf courses that buy our turf.